Are you looking to upgrade to an insulated water bottle? Well, this 32-ounce water bottle gives you everything you need in everyday use, as well as can be a motivational tool to help you set goals and achieve them in the gym. So this is a 32-ounce insulated water bottle that is clearly designed for everyday use like gym, work, school, travel, really anything. And right away, it feels solid. The stainless steel build gives it a premium weight without feeling bulky. And the design is clean enough that it doesn't scream fitness bottle unless you want it to. One of the standout features is the 2-in-1 lid design. You can flip up the straw for easy sipping or use the push button sprout if you want to take bigger drinks. And everything can be done one-handed, which is great while you're driving, working out, or just multitasking. It also seals really well too, no leaks. And the lock and carry loop makes it easy to grab and go without worrying about spills in the bag. And for the motivational side of this water bottle, you get 42 DIY fitness stickers to personalize and stay inspired. Each time that you do a workout and you finish it, you add a sticker to your water bottle. Then you can carry your bottle and add stickers as you conquer more workouts. Once you hit 20 stickers, you unlock the halfway milestone badge, and then after 40 stickers, you earn the legendary peak badge. For the insulation, this bottle uses a triple layer insulation and it actually performs. Cold drinks stay cold for up to 30 hours and hot drinks will stay warm for around 12 hours. For daily use, that means ice water is still cold the next day and coffee stays warm throughout a long morning. Design-wise, this bottle balances being motivational without being over the top. The engraved fitness icons are subtle, not flashy, and the stickers are waterproof and removable without leaving a residue. So this bottle works whether you're into fitness or just want a solid everyday bottle. And the silicone base helps protect it from dents if you set it down hard. Overall, this is a really well-rounded bottle. It's durable, functional, customizable if you want it, and simple if you don't. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift, it's a practical option that fits into everyday life without feeling gimmicky. If you'd like to take a closer look at this motivational water bottle, we have all of our links and details located in the description. That wraps it up for today, and I'll see you in the next review.